My name is Reina Ghezzawi, and I will be talking about 3D printing technology that has been recently introduced in dentistry. So first of all, what is 3D printing? It is actually the process of making a real physical object from a three-dimensional digital model. Just like we are seeing in the video, by stacking successively multiple thin layers of a certain material, this material will depend on the product that we are going to make. This new technology has been introduced in several domains like art, architecture, and even medicine, and many others. It is now being introduced in the dentistry field officially as of 2015. Digital dentistry is evolving rapidly, and the introduction of such innovations will significantly facilitate several tasks not only for the dentist but also for the lab workers. This discipline is very versatile. In fact, the 3D printer has many applications, and it is possible to make a very wide range of products, including the most common, the aligners, retainers, dentures, crowns, surgical guides like drill guides for dental implants, and many others. I will now be stating the many advantages of this technology. First of all, obviously, this type of technology is highly accurate and improves significantly precision in whatever work it is meant for. 3D printers can easily reproduce a digital model with all its complex parts and details while providing very good quality and consistent result. Secondly, 3D printing technology reduces a lot the manufacturing time and accelerates the production, especially since it's capable of printing several products at the same time. So it is time saving for both the dentist and the patient. For example, using a 3D printer, the dentist can assure a same-day delivery of a denture for a patient, even if he had just taken the impression for the denture this morning. Eventually, this technology will allow the elimination of physical impressions and storage of models. In fact, it will digitalize the whole workflow. Finally, it is novel user-friendly, it is easy to learn how to use it, and although it started a bit expensive, its cost is decreasing and is becoming more and more reasonable as it is more and more being infiltrated in the field. So in the end, it is a good investment. So how does this technology work? It is composed of three basic steps. As I mentioned before, it is novel user-friendly. However, the third step might require a little bit of extra skills. The first step is the oral scanning with a 3D scanner instead of an uncomfortable impression, or designing a 3D model using a CAD software. During this step, the dentist will adjust, using his software, the design until he finds it perfect. The second step is where the actual printing happens. Depending on the final desired product, the materials that we will be using in the printer could be plastics, ceramics, resins, or metals. The third step is the finishing of the product design, which is the step that requires the most skills and accuracy. And actually, this step varies from a product to another, but it takes a little bit of time and might be time consuming in order to keep up with the precise work that the printer had made. This step might be for some one of the few disadvantages for 3D printing, but the overall experience is definitely easier than the traditional method. Finally, the introduction of 3D printing to the field of dentistry has opened a lot of doors to further innovations, while this technology continues to expand. The latest project concerning 3D printings in our domain is the creation of a printable material that would kill bacteria on contact. If this project would turn out successful, we would have more resistant and long-lasting aligners, crowns, implants, and others. Thank you for your attention.